सिंस लास्ट 3-4 मंथ्स हमने ना काफ़ी बार डिस्कस किया है जब हमने पॉडकास्ट की जर्नी स्टार्ट की 7 अगस्त 2023 में, गेटिंग डिफरेंट पीपल, उनकी जर्नी आपसे शेयर की। उससे हम क्या सीख सकते हैं, बेशक वो बिज़नेस के हों या डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स के लोग हों। तो हम लास्ट 3-4 मंथ से हमारी पूरी टीम वी वर थिंकिंग दैट वाई डोंट वी डू अ काइंड ऑफ अ राउंड टेबल कॉन्सेप्ट, जिसमें अगर कोई भी करंट अफेयर विच इज़ हैपनिंग एंड वी pick that current affair and we discuss on the measures and things like that. तो हमें काफ़ी टाइम से वी वर इंटायर थिंकिंग कि अब कैसे करें, कब करें। हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था जो हमारा फर्स्ट राउंड टेबल डिस्कशन होगी दैट वुड बी एन अ वेरी सेंसिटिव टॉपिक। कोलकाता का जो केस हुआ है, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली वेरी ब्रूटल बट मैं पूरा पढ़ भी नहीं पाया जब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ। टू रीड द एंटायर केस ऑल्सो इट सेंड्स शिवर अक्रॉस टू योर बॉडी। आज हम जो अटेम्प्ट करने जा रहे हैं, इट इज़ वेरी सेंसिटिव, इट इज़ वेरी ट्रिगरिंग, बट हमने ये कॉन्शियस डिसीजन लिया कि हम ना केस के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे। वी विल नॉट मेक दिस वेरी सेंसेशनल, वी विल ट्राई टू cover topics which is right from safety of women to what resident doctors जो प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री, वो क्या मांग क्या रहे हैं। कईयों को यही नहीं पता वो मांग क्या रहे हैं, वो बेसिक राइट्स मांग रहे हैं अपनी। टू अपब्रिंगिंग, टू वी ऑल्सो कवर्ड कि आज अगर कोई आके कोई डॉक्टर को वायलेंस एट वर्क प्लेस होती तो कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जाता, क्या लीगल मेजर्स हैं। सो वी हैव टॉक्ड दैट, we've tried to make it a generic discussion एंड हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक जो हम एक क्लोज डोर में कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं आप तक पहुँचे और उससे इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट हो। सो हमने ये अटैम्प्ट किया है। आई होप आपको अच्छा लगे। दिस वॉज सेंसिटिव टू मी ऑल्सो एंड आई होप दिस क्रिएट्स इम्पैक्ट एंड वी ऑल add our value and get to learn something. I'll quickly welcome everyone. Just give a 1-minute introduction about who you are, what do you do, quick so that our viewers try to understand who you are and thoda wo samjhe.
So I am Puneet Olakpuni, doctor. I'm a pediatrician, child specialist, and currently professor and head of pediatrics at Dayanand Medical College and Hospital, Ludhiana. So I joined my MBBS in year 84, long time back, and then I did my residency from DMC, and then joined as assistant professor. And now I've been practicing pediatrics for the last 30 years. My main area of interest is pediatric critical care, and I did my training from Cambridge University while I was still working in DMC. So currently I'm director of pediatric ICU, plus I'm heading the department of pediatrics.
How many years now I'm serving people?
Pediatrics I've been practicing for last almost 30 years, but doctor for the last 40 years, yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for doing this.
So I'm Dr. Nimrat. I'm also a pediatrician. I have my own center in Sector 10. Along with that, I'm a consultant pediatrician at Healing Hospital. Beside that, I'm obviously a daughter, wife, and now a mother to my son who's going to be 1 year old.
Hi, I'm Rinal. I am an advocate practicing in Delhi. I practice across forums in the Delhi High Court, Supreme Court, and tribunals in Delhi. I also work closely on matters related to mental health, and I also try and spread awareness on mental health and its impact on all areas of our life. So I have worked on the policy front, I work on the litigation front in that angle. And yeah, that's me.
Yeah. Firstly, thank you all of you for doing this. Today is 22nd of August. We're recording. It's very not only for the doctors community, but I think in general, it's a very sensitive discussion that we're attempting. I want to open with. I remember when 2012 December. When this incident happened, I was 22 at that time, 22 years old, when the Nirbhaya case happened. I remember being very triggered, being very sensitive because, आप सोचते हो कि, ये आपकी सिस्टर भी हो सकती है ना, आपकी दोस्त हो सकती है। एंड आई रिमेंबर जब ये वो चीज़ हो रहा था, यू नो, पीपल वर out there in the streets protesting, candle march, and you know, as a 22-year-old you feel that अब
जोश,
सब कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
कल सब कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा.
Yes.
And here we are in 2024, an incident has happened, but हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि 12 साल के बाद हुआ है. हर रोज़ हुआ
हर
है,
रोज,
हर
every
रोज.
day.
हर रोज़ ये हो रहा है, बट ये हाईलाइट हो गया, इतना ग्रूसम जो इंसिडेंट है. Ma'am, I want to open with you.
Yeah.
Recently, your video has gone viral. आपने इतना इमोशनली आपने चीज़ें बात की इंटरव्यू में, विच हैज़ सारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में आपने जो बात की. आई वांट टू ओपन डॉक्टर पुनीत जी विद ए वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. आपने उस डिस्कशन में बात की है कि इट इज़ नॉट men versus women.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity also, and good to meet you all, although the circumstances are not that pleasant, unfortunately, but we have to start. It's like a revolution. As you have rightly said, in last 12 years, the brutality of this rape was maybe even worse or almost the same. And that also in a hospital with the done people who did it was doctors, society. So it means nothing has changed. It is reported, and that's why we are all here. Yeah. The thing is, being a pediatrician, I know that prevention is better than cure. When I was a PG, we used to get lots of neonatal tetanus. The newborns come with tetanus because mother didn't get the injection TT. They would just go on convulsing. We would put on, we didn't have even ventilators. We would put on, sedate them. Ultimately, 99% would die. Now what we are doing here is, what is a better option? Should we get more ICUs, more ventilators, hi-fi monitoring? Still we will not be able to save those children and would ultimately have some sequelae or die. Or should we give free injections to the mothers and prevent neonatal tetanus? Simians of plague, similarly smallpox, what is more effective? Is it the treatment or is it the prevention? We are all, creating ruckus. They should be hanged. Hanging is a very painless death. I think they should not be hanged. They should be burned to death in front of everybody. Yes. In the चौक में खड़े होके इनको जलाना चाहिए. But will it prevent rapes? Because there are many more people in the society, men with the same mentality. So we will not prevent rapes. We cannot prevent rapes by punishing these few monsters, because there are enough monsters in the. How many we can hang? And as is rightly pointed out, daily 80 to 90 rapes are reported. And multiply by 10 to 20 times. It may be more than that. And how many are convicted? We are the rape capital of
The world.
this world. And I want to point out, though, so prevention is the key. And if you give me a few minutes more, how can we prevent it? Now the thing comes, can we prevent it? I sincerely feel we can definitely make a difference. I felt the difference when I went abroad. I'm like 50, going to be 58 years old. Even now in India, I don't dare go alone on the road. When I went to Cambridge, I was quite young at that time. I was like shocked. Such handsome men, nobody's looking at you. It's the other way around. I was like, these are also men. Nobody looks at you. And I was, amazing thing is that at 10:30 p.m. duty used to finish at night. And I asked one of the girls, is it safe to travel at 10:30 p.m.? Because she was coming from far off distance. She did not understand me. She said she did not know what I meant by safety. For me, safety was if I'm daily traveling by car at 10:30 p.m., there will be men following me. If they know the route, they will be following me. In India, they will follow me. So I went to Oxford in that bus. Out of 17 people, I counted the 14 girls and 3 boys. Here at 8 p.m., if you're on the road, there are like hundreds of men. And one female is like a prey. She would be looking down, traveling like that. Because every man, and my God, I'm a 58, I'm carrying a kirpan or knife with me all the time when I travel. Because you don't know who's going to, we are always worried. We are in a fight, flight, fright response all the time, which releases cortisol, which causes autoimmune disorders, which causes mental illnesses, stress-related response. We are all stressed in India. All females are all the time stressed. So let's start from home. When we say prevent rape, you kill the monsters. Kill these 4 people who have raped her. You have hanged all the Nirbhaya people. Thankfully, it took 12 years.
Yes.
And there was time when we thought, oh, they are going to release them. And they burned, they shot them. In South also, the girl was raped in Hyderabad. She was burnt alive.
Yes.
Thankfully, the policeman killed them on the spot. Did it stop? So how can we stop? It would start from home. It would start before the birth of the girl.
Yes.
When the mother is pregnant, when the female is pregnant, when my mom was carrying me, my grandmother, Dadi, अच्छा बेटा होएगा. She wanted a grandson. When I was pregnant, my mother-in-law wanted a grandson. That is a mentality in females. And I don't blame them. Why? They were never loved when they were growing up.
Yeah.
They were insecure. If the female is not loved at home, she is going to hate herself. When they are there, their parents treated them as prayadhan. Beta teri doli gayi hai, arthi aaye. Want to add, dowry deaths, female feticide occurs only in India.
Yes.
And every girl who kills herself for dowry goes to her parents' home once. Parents know that she is being tortured. We now telling our daughters, beta kisi ne haath dikhaya na, we are there to support. So it will take one more generation. One strong women having girls and boys at their homes, their children are going to change the world. So when you are bringing up your sons and daughters, when they are younger, that is a time to tell them, beta, God has made you equal.
I'll come to the equality, safety part. मैं ना एक और थोड़ा सा context और set कर रहा हूँ कि already as we said that we're recording on 22nd of August है ना, 9th August this incident happened. हमने एक conscious call जो भी discuss किया था कि we don't want to discuss about the particular case है ना. Today's context is जैसे you started with men versus women की लड़ाई नहीं है. It is an attempt that can a conversation happen, what needs to change, right? Let's deep dive more into various aspects of this conversation. Before we do that, Mrinal ji, can we get a as on date, right? There was some judgment by the Supreme Court yesterday, there was Chief Justice. Can you just update all of us कि as on date, as on 22nd August 2024, what are the facts of the case that the court has presented? अभी क्या है? Can you just give a very overview on the facts so that at least then we know where we are in terms of the legal system, and then we have a conversation around these topics.
Okay, so after whatever transpired on the 9th of August, the Kolkata police was involved and they did the investigation. However, as you know, obviously this incident has shook the conscience of the nation. So not just the state of West Bengal, everybody is talking about it, everybody's conscience is shook. So then obviously the Supreme Court, the Honorable Supreme Court took suo motu cognizance of this matter after on 15th August when there was a peaceful protest happening. There were a bunch of rioters, I would call them rioters only, or nuisance makers. They entered the hospital compound and they broke equipment and they turned a peaceful protest into this huge situation where the police had to use tear gas and everything on peaceful protesters. So that's when the Supreme Court decided to take cognizance of this matter, because they were worried about what is the state of affairs in this particular situation where peaceful doctors who are protesting peacefully are not allowed to protest. And whatever's happening, I mean, where is the police? So therefore, the Honorable Supreme Court decided that the investigation has to be moved to the CBI. So thereafter, once the court took suo motu cognizance, then they entrusted the CBI with the investigation going further. They demanded that the CBI file a status report today. So as on today, a status report was filed. But before that, what the Honorable Supreme Court also did was, see, we know that there is no law, central law, which protects doctors. There is a bill which has been lying for 5 years now, since 2019, but there is no central law. So the Supreme Court, because it's not a law-making body, what it has done is it has set up a national task force. And the primary aim of this task force is to look into how can we make the hospital environment more secure. So they are involving everybody from the ministries to, you know, state representatives. Everybody is going to come together and figure out a way of making hospitals more safe. So which is why it's not, see, we have, even if we have laws in place, like ma'am pointed out, laws हैं, लेकिन उनकी enforcement is a separate issue. लोग डरते नहीं हैं, जिसको जो करना होता है वो करता है. So in this situation, what we need to do is we have to protect our doctors. So which is why the Honorable Supreme Court said, let's first do that. So this task force now, you know, it will be constituted. They will come up with their suggestions. In fact, they have opened it up to the general public also. The public will give their opinion on how can we make the hospital a safer environment. We know in government hospitals there's poor lighting, the corridors are not connected to each other properly. There are always these nooks and corners which are dark and dangerous. And as ma'am pointed out, I mean, for a female employee, she's working, and at the back of her mind she's always worried about who's following me, who's there in that corner. So, you know, you're always working under that threat. So which is why this national task force has been established. Hopefully it will come up with good suggestions. Hopefully those suggestions will be implemented. Problem in our country is that because public health is in the it's in the state list, therefore all responsibility comes on the state, which is obvious. I mean, it's fine, but the center also has to now take action and make sure that all states are at par with each other. Because अभी क्या है कि कुछ states ने laws बना दिए हैं, कुछ states ने कोई law नहीं बनाया है, and laws में भी इतनी discrepancy है. So for instance, you know, Karnataka and Kerala have the most robust laws, to the extent that they are covering all possible situations where a doctor, if there is any violence against the hospital or against doctors, how that situation can be dealt with. The laws in other states are still old. There are 2008 laws which have not been updated. And you know, we know our criminal laws. After Nirbhaya, criminal law was updated. After, then in 2018, after Unnao, the criminal laws were updated. So, these laws also have to be updated in line of those laws.
So as on date, case का status क्या चल रहा है? If what can we speak? अभी क्या चल रहा है?
See, देखिए, जब तक investigation नहीं हो जाती है, the matter is anyway sub judice. जब तक investigation हो जाती है, we can't comment on the facts of the case. There is already a lot of speculation happening. Who is involved? Let's not even go into the speculation, because you know there is an investigation happening and that they have to do their job. CBI has been entrusted with it. They have presented a status report today, which the court will look into.
अच्छा, CBI ने already दे दी है report to the Supreme Court.
Yes. Today they had to submit that status report, and that has been done. Now, which is why after that the Supreme Court has come out with these 3 steps of how this national task force has to
और ये कब तक बन जाएगा? मतलब national task force, इसका कोई timeline है कि इस दिन तक बन जाएगा?
नहीं, ऐसा मतलब कोई set timeline नहीं है, मतलब but it will happen now. It will happen. Yeah.
Fair enough. So that is what is the case right now. Nimrat ji, I want to. So this is one part of it, right? Why we don't want to discuss the case? Because we'll get triggered.
Yes.
I'll get triggered.
Yeah.
It is very sensitive, and I want कि ये conversation जितने लोग भी सुन रहे हैं, because once we get triggered, sensitive, emotional, we are unable to present it very rationally, right?
Yeah,
so
emotions at play.
है ना, emotion there. Nimrat ji, I want to start off. So this is what Mrinal ji has pointed कि this is where we are on the case front. I want to kickstart the conversation with जो resident doctors अभी all India जो protest कर रहे हैं, right? You've finished residency in 2020, 4 years back. आप बिल्कुल simple में बता सकते हो कि resident doctors अभी उनकी क्या मांग है? Of course, the violence what has happened is gruesome, right? Very brutal. अभी क्या मांग है? And what is the way forward for all the resident doctors association? What they're doing right now?
Right. So, एक resident normally 36 hours duty करता है. We've all done it. With due respect, ma'am has done. All of us have done it. And just starting with a small incident, we were all at a protest recently in Sector 70 Plaza, where हम सारे खड़े थे. There was a skit being presented by PGI students, and पीछे 2-3 लोग खड़े थे, shopkeepers, and they were like, क्या नया skit है? रोज तो रेप हो रहा है. ये डॉक्टर क्यों जाग गए हैं आज? ठीक है? So to understand, डॉक्टर इसीलिए जाग गए because we were at duty. So just taking you back, Simraji, when I joined my residency, my mother used to say, because I did my residency in Bangalore. So mama said कि करो duty यूँ करे. So you know, the duty was like as safe as home. This is what we were taught. And all through my residency, I kept telling mama, it's like a radio. You see, keep saying the same thing again. मिडिल क्लास वैल्यूज़, ड्यूटी ते लैब कोट पा के रखना. बट फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग उस लैब कोट ने दैट डिडंट सेव दैट गर्ल. शी वाज जस्ट फ्लैश एंड बोन्स. So as residents, why are we angry? What are we asking is just safety. And this is a basic human right. See, we're talking about men and women. I don't think we're equal. I think women have so many shackles. Start with female infanticide. And I'm sure, ma'am, you've seen it. So many girls used to be flushed down the toilet as soon as they were born. Matlab, saans lene ke liye bhi, it's a big thing. Like, I still remember that when my sister had to go to London for her MBA, so many of my relatives, they came home and they would be like, London भेज रहे हो, शादी तो बिना भेज रहे हो. Like, it was so common. So starting with female infanticide, and when I was born, people were very depressed for my parents. I had 2 कुड़ियाँ, double dowry.
Nobody congratulates.
Yeah, nobody congratulates. So I think starting from there, समझिए, maybe residents, all of us females especially, I'm sure men are supporting us very well also, but we've come from that aspect. ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਲੜ ਕੇ we've come here, female infanticide, dowry, उसके बाद शादी, then babies, but juggling it all. और फिर एक लड़की ड्यूटी पे बैठी है. You feel our demands are that we are working 36 hours, and for us our patients are not just monetary motivation. At the end of the day, our motivation is when they get
Safety,
better.
yeah.
When they get better, that's like our real price.
So residents, उनकी जो अभी जो डिमांड है, जो मतलब इज बेसिक सेफ्टी.
safety,
जो भी प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी
100%.
इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू टेल पीपल, जो प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं पूरे
Yes.
इंडिया में, वो है, इट इज़ बेसिक सेफ्टी,
Safety.
राइट. मैम, आपने एक बात बोली अपने वो इंटरव्यू में, वीडियो में, मैम ने
Yes.
बात बोली, कहते कि अगर एक लड़की डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटल में सेफ नहीं है, तो कोई भी लड़की पूरे इंडिया में सेफ नहीं है.
Correct.
दिस इज व्हाट यू सेड,
Yeah.
राइट.
इससे नोबल और प्योर प्रोफेशन कोई नहीं है. और बड़े बड़े बदमाश, मैं तो गर्ल्स को क्यों पेरेंट्स ज़्यादा, मतलब हम कहते हैं चलो नॉर्मली ट्रेडिशनली बॉय, नॉन मेडिकल गर्ल, क्योंकि मेडिकल में बड़े बड़ा बदमाश भी जब बीमार होके आता है ना हमारे आगे, ठीक कर दो जी. एंड वी फील कि दिस इज़ अ प्रोफेशन वेयर आई हैव गॉट द मोस्ट रिस्पेक्ट. And here I would like to point out that when I was growing up, we used to go on cycles to our medical college also and to school also. On the way, there would be people teasing and cat calling all. But in my profession career, from 84 I joined till now, 40 years, I have never been sexually harassed in my hospital. So this gives me goosebumps that your junior and intern for a PG, how can anybody? So their mind was that since it's a female, मर्डर तो वैसे भी होना था. वो जो हम रेपुटेशन कॉलेज की देख रहे हैं, वो हर 2-3 साल में सुसाइड होती है. उसको मर्डर को सुसाइड दिखाते हैं. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव, मे बी ट्रू और फॉल्स. बट बिकॉज शी वॉज अ फीमेल, क्या करोगे, रेप तो कर ही सकते हो. तो एवरीबडी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. फैमिली ने क्या देखा है, जो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर निर्भया केस, सबकी इंटरव्यू, आई read about an article. Miss Panda was there. She interviewed 160 rapists in Tihar jail, and there was a doctor in America who put in the newspaper, I'm doing research on rapists. Any man who has ever raped anybody, please contact me. 50 people contacted him. In 160 people in Tihar jail, not even one man was repenting the act. If you murder a human being, though all the murderers were feeling bad that we murdered a man or a woman, but rapist, none was repentant. What they said was, she was asking for it. This, the person who, 6% brutally Nirbhaya, why was she raped?
Yeah.
Because she was with a boyfriend. And they felt if she can be with one boy, why not us? That is the entitlement. Because in their homes, what they've seen is, mother was being beaten by father. Women are to be controlled. They saw their sisters never ever leaving house. They were at home. If the girl is being on the roads, she's asking for it. Because their brought up was such at homes that they was ingrained with the feeling that boy, you are a boy, you can go anywhere, you can do anything. But your sisters and your mother, bullshit, she's a worse than animal, you're controlling.
जो आपने एक बात बोली है, I want to build on this. You have said कि जितने भी लोग जो इंटरव्यू हुआ, they saying that nobody is repenting, right?
No.
हाँ, मृणाल जी, you work very closely on mental health also, right? You're advising some organizations on that. Do you feel that this issue because we're talking, so women's safety in general is a very very vast topic, right? कोई कैंपेन चल रहा है, कोई कुछ चल रहा है, हर कोई बोल रहा है बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ कर, एंड हियर यू आर एक लड़की जो डॉक्टर बनी है, जो जैसे निमरत जी ने बोला इससे ज़्यादा कोई पढ़ाई नहीं है, एंड ऑन जॉब दिस इज व्हाट इज डन, राइट? सो आई वांट टू टच बेस दैट आर देयर डेटा कि जो ये लोग हैं, इज इट मेंटल इशू, इज इट अ मेंटल हेल्थ इशू, क्या है मतलब?
See, I'm sure there is data on this. It's not readily available with me right now. But your question, I think, is that people who commit such acts, are they mentally ill? Mostly. See, a lot of time, people who commit any crime, they have to, there is a moral compass that all of us have. Their moral compasses are a little different from the societies. But their compasses are different because of conditioning, what ma'am is talking
It's
about.
environment.
Yeah.
It's the environment. So yes, there will be many cases in which, because of mental illness, a person's brain is a certain way. Because as we all know, I mean, I am not a doctor, but I only know this because I've interacted with doctors. In few people, some parts of the brain are not developed.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
of which they don't
Prefrontal
have the
cortex.
same moral and emotional compass as say a normal person. They are more prone to doing those activities and they are remorseless. What ma'am was saying.
Yeah.
कि उन्हें कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा उन्होंने जो act किया. So yes, there are a lot of times people who are mentally ill, they have a higher proclivity of committing such crimes. So I'll give you, so I'll just segue from here. What I want to tell you is that there is an organization in which is called Project 39A. Okay, this is run by NLU Delhi, National Law University Delhi. What they do is, any time a person who has been convicted of capital punishment to be hanged till death, they try to reopen their case. They try to dig deep. A lot of times they find, I've interacted with them, they find that the person has some kind of a mental illness. But the system is such that they were never helped. Like during prosecution,
yeah.
while they were convicted.
They were not
So
identified.
if somebody
So-
has
Yeah.
a mental illness, okay, it's very easy. Like I understand everybody is very upset with what has happened, and when a rapist is when they're shot dead, instead of the law taking its normal course, the people celebrate.
Happy,
I see
yeah.
lawyers celebrate.
We were so
but
happy.
I personally do not celebrate because that is not justice.
Yeah.
Justice is when the accused, whoever the accused is, gets an opportunity of being heard. For instance, we don't know who all are involved in this case right now, which is why I'm refraining from making comments in this particular case. We just know something which has been reported to us until and unless investigation is done and is done properly. So now coming back to people who are mentally ill. The system, the legal system is not as well equipped to understand that if this person has done this act, should we explore the angle of whether this person has a mental illness? And the understanding of all agencies, be it the police, be it judiciary, the understanding is lacking. In our country, the science of forensic psychiatry is not explored as much.
Yeah.
Forensics is not explored as much.
Forensics is not.
Nowadays with DNA, you don't need any witnesses. I mean,
Yeah. And people don't know that there's no
because
awareness.
because there is still not understanding and there is still not development of this science and usage of this science.
Yeah.
देखिए इतनी बार क्या होता है, क्राइम होता है, जब तक FIR लॉन्च होगी
सब कुछ
तब तक इधर बहुत पूरा सिचुएशन चेंज कर दी जाती है. आधे घंटे के डिले में भी बहुत सारी एविडेंस हटाए जा सकते हैं. तो ये एविडेंस को उठाने की जो ये आर्ट है, दिस इज ऑल फोरेंसिक्स एंड इट इज वेरी क्रिटिकल इन डिटर्मिनिंग स्पेशली ऑफेंसेस ऑफ अगेंस्ट ह्यूमन बॉडीज. सो this leg of science has to be utilized more in our country.
Yeah.
So, I mean, yes, I've covered a lot of things, but yes, a lot of people who commit such crimes, their moral compass is differently wired. Yes, they might have mental illness. I know one statistic that I can give you is, for instance, 90%, there's a study that says 90% of the people who committed suicide had mental illness.
Yeah.
Who attempted to commit
Just
suicide
imagine.
or who committed suicide had mental illness.
True.
That's why they did that act. So, this is just a thought-provoking statistic that I'm giving you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, because of their mental condition, they acted in a particular way. So,
Yeah.
yes, your mental status determines what kind of a life you choose and what are the acts that you're choosing.
Nimrati, I was reading that, and this is like data for all of you. 2022 में रिपोर्ट आई थी नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड्स ब्यूरो, दी NCRB. they say the total number of 4.45 lakh cases of crimes against women were registered across in 2022, which was like a 4% increase from previous year. This we are talking 2 years back.
Yes.
2 साल पुरानी
I've
बात
read
कर रहे
this.
और बढ़ गया
Yeah.
कि 4.5 लाख है.
Increasing by the minute.
हाँ, which is translates to nearly 51 FIRs every hour. Now, when I read this, my instinct was that ये तो report हुए हैं.
Yeah.
Multiply by 20.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Right.
actually easy. Yeah.
So ये तो report हुए हैं,
Yeah.
right? How many have not been reported? We don't know.
Yeah, absolutely. Because we don't have the freedom to speak out. Because any girl who speaks out, she's asking for it. If they're not wearing salwar kameezes,
Yeah.
then she's asking for it. If she's going out at night, she's asking for it.
And she's
if
with a boyfriend, the
yeah,
other boys
then
have the right
then she's
also.
asked for it completely.
yeah.
So I think that's a big problem. Even there, I think a lot of people, there was a lot of chatter. And it's such a sad state that so many politicians came forward and said
Yeah,
कि
boys will be boys.
yeah, boys will be boys. इनकी जल्दी शादी करा दो तो ये सब नहीं होएगा. And लड़कियां आजकल freely बात करती है लड़कों से, so they're asking for
I
it.
mean, I just
This is
absolutely
so pathetic.
Hitting on the nail.
Yeah,
Boys and girls are as pure as they are when they're
yeah,
born.
yeah. It's we
Till
who
2
make
years,
them how they
till
are.
2 years they
Yeah.
are pure. At 2 years, when they're 2 to 5 years, when their wiring is being done.
But अभी भी हो रहा है मैम ऐसी चीजें.
Yeah,
मतलब
100%.
We're in 2024 today. Like
It's decreased, but it's
Decreased,
still
it
very
is not
prevalent.
absent.
Yeah.
It is decreased. That's why I'm saying it will take one more generation.
Yes.
Another 50 years, we might.
But are you saying that by 2060 women in India would be safe?
We hope so.
जब आप
We hope so.
We hope
provided
so.
this female feet side. You know the stats say 1% increase in male population.
Yeah.
1% increases the crime by 17%.
17%. Yes.
And when I do rounds in NICU, inborn babies should be equal. In fact, nature gives 52% for females, babies,
Yeah.
and 48% for boys.
Yeah.
Because females are the one which is going to keep the human reproduction on. So nature always prefers females. And in neonatology, books it's written that female neonate is 4 times less chance of dying because she has immunity is more.
Yeah.
They are biologically stronger.
Stronger.
But in outborn nursery, where the babies come from outside, for 4 males, only 1 female. Fortunately, now females are coming. Parents don't want to
Spend
bear
money.
females. They don't want to treat females.
But you are saying this is as on date also.
Yes,
Today
absolutely.
also,
I have seen it, and we have a discrepancy.
I did
of
rounds,
age.
and I was saying, what has happened? No female baby. And when I do rounds, I mean, I'm telling you the
And
example.
sex prevention and sex
It's
determination is
going
not
on.
allowed,
It's
right?
going on. When I do rounds, first thing, and my residents, and all doctors, in fact, females also, they would take all the babies as males. हाँ जी, he is doing that, he is doing. मैं कहा he है कि she है? कहते जी she है. मैं कहा why you are not saying she? If you see
नहीं,
documentary,
explain more. What do you mean?
all babies are taken as boys unless proven otherwise. Our nurses will say ये दूध नहीं पींदा जी, ये सुस्त है. मैं कहा ये boy के girl है. कहते जी girl फिर मैं दूध पींदी होएगी कि पींदा होएगा.
Interesting.
This is in our psyche. But what gentlemen we have, because pediatricians are very soft-hearted men. They are very nice, but it is inbuilt.
तो आप बोल रहे हैं आज भी हो रहा है? Across the
अभी हो
country?
रहा, अभी
100%.
मेरे OPD में पेशेंट्स आता है, and she was wearing a पटका, जुड़ा था उसको, तो मैंने उसको बेटा तू खांदा जब मैं कार्ड देखा उसमें फीमेल, मैंने कहा why are you dressing her like a boy? Because do you dress your boys as girls? गुत कर दो boys दे. He said नहीं जी, इन्हें अच्छा लगता है when we treat him as boy. मैं कहा अच्छा लगता है because she gets attention when she is treated
Yeah.
as a son.
Yeah.
पिंडा च मेरा पुत. Why
Yeah.
the girl call पुत ती क्यों नहीं कहते भी?
Yeah.
Do you call ती to your son?
Yeah.
My father is like me. Where you कहेगा बेटा why do we say that I will love my daughter as my son? And that's why my husband says I will love my son and daughter as my children. Why would I say ऐड नहीं आती? अपने तिया नु बेटे वांगू प्यार करो. भाई why तिया वांगू नहीं कर सकते? So when I do rounds, I am telling you what I will do is if I am not told the gender, I'll tell the mother, हाँ जी ये दूध ठीक पी रही है, ये सो रही है, नहीं डॉक्टर साहब बेटा है जी. She will react like that, and then I tell the mother, and I tell my residents, go to the next bed, and I would say दूध पींदा है जी, ये कह रहे हाँ जी, as if, and that's a girl.
वो correct नहीं
Would
करते.
she never? The day mother would say, "ए जी मेरी daughter है, like my daughter." अगर उसको कोई he कहता है ना, she is my daughter. She है ये he नहीं है. That is the day we will be empowered.
Yeah, things will
Females
start
feel
changing.
ashamed. वो कहती
Yeah.
नहीं बेटा होना चाहिए था.
So are you saying that it is like this is like for
Same with
all
our
of you,
laws.
right?
All our laws use the term he when
Yeah.
we're describing
she
anything.
never comes
She is
there.
never used as a term.
So when I am
Pricing
there,
is very systematic.
why it is S/HE? It should be like that. Every law, he, matlab, where are we be? I would hate to be called, my name is Puneet, so sometime I'm getting questions like Mr. Puneet, dear sir.
Same.
Yeah.
And I would say in the bracket, Miss Puneet.
Yeah.
I don't want to be called as he.
Yeah.
And when everybody is calling all the females as he from the birth,
Yes.
she feels that it is wrong to be she. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We are not anti-man. We are for men, women. In fact, patriarchy, as I had told, was started by males. It is being maintained by females.
Absolutely.
We are our worst enemies. I used to think कि जहाँ पे CM female होएगी, जहाँ पे female boss होएगी, administration में how in our administration there is no female, hardly any. But I am thankful that we have males who are for us.
Yeah. Who
मेरी
protecting us
मैनेजमेंट
and
में आधी रात को कहती हूँ सर सेमिनार रूम में हमारे तो कुंडी नहीं लगी हुई, कहते हैं आज ही लगवाते हैं, within 24 hours we have. And those females are females worst enemies. वो कह रही है कि रात को क्या कर रही थी.
सो क्यों
I mean,
रहे थे, सलवार क्यों नहीं डाली थी?
My daughter says
ridiculous.
the day we start supporting one another,
Yeah.
female gender जब एक दूसरे को support करेगी, we won't be teased. बस में females भी तो हैं, वो boys को बना नहीं करते.
But ma'am, एक मतलब, and this is like to everyone. I really appreciate when you say that, you know, कि men and women we are all this together. right?
Of
हम
course.
साथ
Yeah,
में.
100%.
I want to understand with सारे लड़के तो खराब नहीं हैं.
नहीं नहीं,
नहीं,
not at
तभी-
all, और हम कह भी नहीं रहे हैं.
बेटा तभी हम यही बैठे हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are
Yeah.
here making this conversation
I-
because so many men
Yeah.
support us.
Yeah.
For all of us, we were
Yeah.
two sisters and we were supported by a father who brought us till here. My sister's an engineer, I'm a doctor. We are here because of that. In fact, I'm having this conversation sitting with you at this time because my husband is back home with my son.
वुमेन सेफ्टी जो टॉपिक है ना, मतलब इट इज़ सच अ वास्ट टॉपिक. देयर इज़ नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग आंसर, बट आई विल टेल यू आज सुबह क्या हुआ. आई वाज सिटिंग विद माय मॉम एंड माय वाइफ एंड आई वाज जस्ट जनरली टॉकिंग, राइट. सो मैंने ना सुबह मॉम को, राइट, एंड वैसे पूछा कि what is safe, what you feel. Like, I cannot relate to it.
You can't.
Like, I can't relate.
Men can't.
And you know
Yeah.
what mom said? She said that कि अगर रात को
Yeah.
आई एम इन माई कार, द ड्राइवर जो अगर वो गाड़ी चला रहा है और अगर लेट्स से माई सिस्टर और माई वाइफ इज़ देयर, अगर रास्ता ऐसे 11:30-12 बजे है, अगर रास्ता गलत टर्न हो गया ना, कहीं उसमें चले गए, मैं मतलब वो एक इंसिडेंट बता रहे थे. कहते मेरे को ना, मैंने अपनी बेटी को बोला, सिस्टर मेरे बोला कि तू ना गूगल मैप्स लगा ले. मैं ना ड्राइवर को डांट नहीं पाई बिकॉज मुझे डर लगने लग गया.
Yeah.
Yeah.
एंड यू नो आई वाज सेड कि मॉम यू हैव नेवर स्पोक अबाउट दिस टू मी. आई कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन. लाइक मेरा इंसिडेंट होगा, ड्राइवर को बोलूँगा यार तूने गलत क्यों ले लिया, मैंने जहाँ पहुँचना था मैं लेट हो जाऊँगा. I want to really understand because women safety we can talk the entire day. Like,
Yeah.
बेटे
like what do you feel?
अंधेरे
with this?
में if you are going to darkness and you
Yeah.
will suddenly कोई आवाज आती है, आपको तो घोष तो नहीं, हम सोचते कि बंदा तो नहीं है.
बंदा तो नहीं है,
Is there a
right.
man around?
Simranji, I think the biggest thing
This
is
is-
what instructions my mother got from my grandmother
Yeah.
50 years ago.
Are
My
given to us
mother
also.
gave to my sister, and I'm going to give it to my daughter tomorrow if I have one.
Kya-
They
kya?
haven't changed
Because you
the
see,
rules haven't changed.
I am 58 and he said that I'll send you a driver. And my husband and my parents,
Yeah.
unknown person.
So I'll give you a small example,
Yeah.
ma'am. Like
Yeah.
we used to go out. We always went out with our father, and it's very funny. All our friends, बड़ा मजाक उड़ाते साडा that our curfew time was 6 p.m. in the winters,
Yeah, yeah.
and it was 7 p.m. in the summers. And by curfew time, I mean that if there was a birthday party going on, my mother used to wait outside
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
And it's changed. Now it is like your husband's there, now you go out with him.
Yeah.
Now the funny thing is I take my son out for a walk every day in the evening, and my mother says, "अच्छा शाम तो पहला आज ही चल, अकाल है ना?" And my son is 1 year
1
old.
year.
So
Yeah.
our responsibility is
Yeah,
always
yeah,
on a male.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
And for whom? This time,
Yeah.
Rakhi, I wrote a long message on Facebook.
Yeah.
We stop Rakhi. We are putting Rakhi on our brothers. Why? To protect us from brothers of other sisters.
Yeah.
What is this drama, भाई? सबसे ज़्यादा जो मैं कह रही हूँ हिपोक्रेटिक सोसाइटी है ना, वो इंडिया है. There is no country where females are जिसको पूजा जाता
That's
है.
so much, yeah.
कोई देवीज नहीं है. यहाँ पे ड्यूरिंग वो कौन सा फंक्शन जहाँ पे गर्ल्स के पैरों को हाथ लगाते हैं,
कंजका.
कंजका तियाँ, वो भी वी डोंट वांट दैट.
Yeah.
आई सॉ डॉक्यूमेंट्री अमेरिकन BBC की थी दैट फीटिसाइड अबाउट फीटिसाइड कि सुबह लेडीज एंड मदर लॉ एंड फैमिली इन लॉज प्रेग्नेंट है, वो अल्ट्रासाउंड करवाने जा रही, वेदर इट्स अ फीमेल और मेल, पूजा करके देवी की पूजा कर रहे हैं कि हमारे घर देवी ना आए, बेटा आए. ओ व्हाट द ब्लडी, आई डोंट वांट टू यूज एनी वर्ड,
You
व्हाट
can
द
use-
एफ, व्हाट इज इट, क्यों हिपोक्रेटिक कर रहे हो? ये जो भारतीय नारी वाला इमेज है ना, दिस इज हैज किल्ड अस.
निम्रत जी, जो अभी वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द प्रोटेस्ट विच इज़ हैपनिंग, रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स वाला, तो कैन यू ऑल्सो लिटिल एक्सप्लेन एंड वील कम टू मृणाल जी ऑल्सो ऑन दैट कि जो भी जितने भी प्रोटेस्ट अभी चल रहे हैं, राइट, it is also the violence against doctors has been a issue since a long time, right? How do you feel, firstly, right, कि violence against doctor, क्योंकि I also come from a family of doctors, right, कि अगर patient की death हो जाती है तो family बोलते हैं कि जी डॉक्टर ने मारता. So like what is your take on that? जो violence against doctors क्यों हो रहा है और इसको कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं?
Yeah. So I'll start with a small incident again, क्योंकि I think ma'am and I have lots of examples. ਅਸੀਂ internship ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ 16 and I think this is about 4:35 o'clock in the morning. It almost broad dead ਆਦਮੀ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ, highly intoxicated, reeking of alcohol, ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ CPR ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ. Meanwhile ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਲੀ ਬੈੱਡ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਬੱਚੀ she was collapsing. So ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੈਚਮੇਟ CPR ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. Meanwhile back to back emergencies ਆ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ, suddenly ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹ CPR ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ and that person collapsed. 12 ਬੰਦੇ ਆਏ and they slapped the doctor, they even shot him in the leg.
कब की बात है?
This is 2015. They shot him in the leg and पता नहीं they had guns and पूरा emergency ਨੂੰ vandalize ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. So my point is they didn't take a minute to see ਕਿਹੜਾ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ, ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੀ, ਕੁਛ ਸੀ. ਐਂਡ ਲੇਟਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਾਜ਼ ਆਫ ਡੈਥ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਐਲਕੋਹਲ, ਹਿਜ਼ ਲਿਵਰ ਐਂਜ਼ਾਈਮਸ ਵਰ ਥਰੂ ਦ ਰੂਫ, ਫੁੱਲ ਸਿਰੋਸਿਸ, ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਰ ਲਾਈਕ ਅੱਛਾ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਨਿਕਲ ਗਿਆ, नो सॉरी नथिंग, दे जस्ट लेफ्ट. एंड माय
वो डॉक्टर को गोली मार दी उन्होंने
कि ਲੱਤ ਤੇ. ਐਂਡ ਮਾਈ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਟਰੀਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਲਾਈਕ ਆਈ ਸੈਡ ਬਿਫੋਰ, our motivation is कि बंदा ठीक हो जाएगा. That's the biggest adrenaline rush you can give to any doctor. And you're robbing that doctor of that opportunity. Now Simranji, when I go for duties in the evening or I go for emergencies, रात ਨੂੰ कैनेला लान जाने, मैं सारा टाइम ਅਸੀਂ कॉन्शियसली देखते हैं यार पीछे कोई आता नहीं रहा, कोई कुछ कहता नहीं देगा, पेशेंट ज़्यादा सीखता नहीं. You're robbing the doctor of the passion for what the person has joined this profession with. You're just robbing the person. Now there's no joy. We are demotivated as a community. We are demotivated क्योंकि ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੜਦਾ. ਡਾਕਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਈਜ਼ੀਐਸਟ ਟਾਸਕ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੋ, ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਲੈਟਸ ਸੇ ਕੋਈ ਕੇਸ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਲਾਇਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਸਕਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੇਸ, ਯੂ نو you've lost that case. Will you slap the lawyer? Will you abuse the lawyer? You'll not do anything. If your CA has filed your returns wrong, what will you do? You'll be like, oh ਚਲੋ ਟੇਲਰ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੂਟ ਗਲਤ ਬਣਾਤਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਉਸ ਟੇਲਰ ਨੂੰ? ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਇੱਕ ਕੁੜੀ ਜੋ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਤੇ ਸੀ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ 3 ਵਜੇ ਸੌਂ ਕੇ ਗਈ, ਲੋਕੀ ਤੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਉਹਦੇ. ਸੌਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਗਈ? ਕੋਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਚਲੀ ਗਈ? ਅੰਧੇਰੇ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਚਲੀ ਗਈ? And the worst part of all this is that there is a minister who's given a statement ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਮਰ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਇਨ ਡਾਕਟਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚਾ ਸਕਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਤੇ.
Oh my God.
How can you say this?
मतलब these are the ministers who themselves are like,
yeah, we are
criminals.
doctors and I'm sorry to say we have the bare minimum salaries. If you a movie star who comes for an event earns more than a lifetime of what a doctor can earn.
Absolutely.
And you're treating them like this in the middle of the night when you're calling a doctor. Don't do that now because you didn't stand up for them in this opportunity. So this is an emotion. So violence against hands which heal you, you're scaring those hands. ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਸਾਨੂੰ ਡਾਕਟਰਸ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਹਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ, ਫੁੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਜੰਮੇ. ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਮੇਡ ਅ ਰੂਲ very early on in my career, although I have a very humble journey, but very early on in my residency I made a rule, ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਜੰਮੇ ਦੇ ਮਿਠਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੀ. ਕੋਈ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ I take it very happily, ਪਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਜੰਮੇ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦੀ. And honestly ਸਮਝੀ, I think I've gotten ਮਿਠਾਈ twice in my humble jaunt. I must have attended about 500 maybe 1000 deliveries, but I've got mithai for a kudi twice.
So do you think violence against doctors will stop?
I hope so, but looking at this I don't think so.
Mrinal ji, ma'am, I'll come to you. Mrinal ji, 2019 से जो एक लॉ चल रहा है, जो डॉक्टर्स कह रहे हैं कि उनको प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट दिस वायलेंस है, कैन यू जस्ट थ्रो सम लाइट अगेंस्ट एग्जैक्ट लॉ विच द डॉक्टर्स आर आस्किंग
Asking for.
एंड वेयर इज इट राइट नाउ? 2019 से पेंडिंग है, 2024 है, क्यों नहीं वो लॉ जल्दी हो पा रहा है? बिकॉज वायलेंस अगेंस्ट मतलब इट्स अ नो ब्रेनर ना, कॉमन सेंस है। डॉक्टर्स को थोड़ा आपने मतलब मारोगे थोड़ा आप डॉक्टर्स को, तो
Mrinalji, sorry, I'm
yeah,
cutting
please.
you. I have a question. Let's say we are on duty and ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਇਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, what should we do as doctors? What's our immediate, like ABC, what can we do?
Yeah.
It's like when you get a medical legal case, what
Yeah.
do you do immediately?
So we inform the police, we make our,
Yes.
yeah, we do all our file work, we
Yes.
make sure that everything is on point, and we inform the nearest HS.
And you do
SHO
it
and police.
immediately.
Yeah.
The idea is you do it immediately.
Right.
Similarly for doctors, the minute there is violence,
Yeah.
you have to report it
Right.
immediately so that action can be taken.
Yeah.
But what is it that you can do today?
Yeah.
Right? Because see, like he also now I will just merge these two
Yes.
questions because what the situation is such, we don't have a central act.
Yeah.
Okay, the central government has not made any law. There is a bill pending since 2019
Yeah.
that has not been made into an act till now. Every state has made certain acts.
Okay.
Okay, has made certain laws.
Right.
Most of these laws are not up to date. I had in earlier also given the example of Kerala and Karnataka. Their laws are yes up to date. They have done a good job. But again, you see the Kerala law got updated when that incident happened in Kerala. When that doctor was stabbed 11 times with scissors by that person.
Only child of the parents,
Yeah.
girl, Dr. Bandha. Yeah, it's sad.
So only then the law got updated. Similarly in Karnataka, Karnataka in fact just got updated in 2024 itself. So the laws that are existing in states
Yeah.
are also, they also have lacunae. So we need to bridge, first of all, fill the lacunae.
Right.
And we need to have a central act. Why do we need to have a central act? Because out of so many states, not all states have laws. We need a central act which will be like a model law.
Uniform.
Which everybody, yes, which is uniform, which everybody will follow equally. So I'll give you, for instance, you know, the law in Karnataka in particular actually puts the burden of proof on the accused, on the perpetrator of violence,
Okay.
to establish that he did not do it. So normally in any criminal
That's very big.
criminal trial,
Yeah.
the burden is on the prosecution.
Yeah.
Here there is a presumption of guilt.
नहीं, explain more. Like जो अब so again मैं
देखिए क्या है, आप ये देखिए, डॉक्टर पिटा, डॉक्टर को मारा और डॉक्टर को खुद ही जाके अपना केस एस्टैब्लिश करना पड़ेगा. ये एक
तो
नॉर्मल
डॉक्टर के तो पुलिस के पास जाएगा ना डॉक्टर?
पुलिस के पास मतलब पुलिस बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ इज ऑन प्रोसिक्यूशन.
Okay,
आई एम नॉट सेइंग द
ठीक,
डॉक्टर हैज टू
ठीक.
प्रूव, द प्रोसिक्यूशन हैज टू प्रूव. दैट इज the rule of law. You first discharge your burden. Only when you have discharged your burden will the accused even come into the picture. Problem is that in all of this, अब वो डॉक्टर अपना हॉस्पिटल में जाए, अपनी ड्यूटी करे, अपना क्लिनिक चलाए, या वो आके पूरा बंद जाए यहाँ पे ट्रायल में. So a lot of times, you know, like I'll give you a statistic. Say out of this happened in, I mean I'll give you महाराष्ट्र का statistic. 2015 से 2020 तक 1500 रिपोर्टिंग हुई है ऑफ सच इंसिडेंट्स, 650 अरेस्ट हुई हैं और कन्विक्शन सिर्फ 4 केसेस में हुई.
Just imagine.
तो डॉक्टर क्या क्या कर लेगा? वो रिपोर्ट कर रहा है. द फैक्ट दैट ही इज रिपोर्टिंग, that is good enough. The fact that he is beaten up, that is good enough for the burden to be on the accused to prove कि उसने जो किया
नहीं
वो
करा.
किया.
मतलब.
Yeah.
तो अभी फिर जो डॉक्टर जो 2019 वाला जो आप बोल रहे हो बिल है वो
उसमें ये provision नहीं है.
वो क्या मांग रहे हैं अभी? मतलब आप वो
29
लॉ में क्या चाहते हैं कि
देखिए,
ये
doctors
कि अगर
29
कोई वायलेंस हो गया, कोई आज डॉक्टर के पास कोई वायलेंस हो गया, व्हाट डू डॉक्टर्स टुडे वांट इन टर्म्स ऑफ लॉ?
Doctors want a law which is protecting doctors particularly. See आज क्या है, आज कुछ भी होता है, हम इन स्टेट लॉज को भूल जाते हैं. वैसे तो हमारे पास सिर्फ हमारे क्रिमिनल कोड्स बचे हैं. पहले आईपीसी था, अब बीएनएस आ गया है. उसमें जो प्रोविजंस हैं दे डोंट पर्टेन टू डॉक्टर. दे आर रेगुलर. आप किसी को रेगुलर हर्ट करते हो, ग्रीवियस हर्ट करते हो, मारते हो, इंटिमिडेट करते हो, वही प्रोविजंस डॉक्टर उन्हीं के अंदर एफआईआर फाइल कर सकता है. या जो स्टेट ने अपने एक्ट्स बनाए, हर मोस्ट स्टेट्स ने बनाए हैं, but they all vary. So see, the point is, why I was giving you that example is, when you have a robust law like the one in Karnataka, doctors at least feel that the trial will happen and the trial में उनकी सुनी जाएगी. बाकी जगह तो अगर उनको जाके अपना केस खुद ही प्रूव करना है और प्रोसिक्यूशन को एस्टैब्लिश करना है. और दूसरा एक और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग एंगल है. क्या होता है ना, मोस्ट ऑफ दीज केसेस आर दोज, इनमें लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारी इंटेंशन नहीं थी डॉक्टर को मारने की. वो तो हम उस टाइम एकदम you know, we
गुस्से
got
में आ
charged
गए।
up.
we got
Hmm.
charged up. We got charged up. Grave and sudden provocation. That is the term. कि it was कि हमारे घर वाले को वो देख नहीं रहे थे
तो हमने मार दिया।
और हमें मतलब हम उस टाइम हमें कुछ और समझ नहीं आया तो हमने मार दिया। वो इंटेंशन पे हमेशा पूरा आपका ट्रायल इधर से उधर हो जाता है। सो वी नीड अ स्ट्रिक्ट लाइबिलिटी लॉ। तभी डर मतलब डर एक इंसान में एक एक्शन लेने में पैदा होगा जब उसको पता है कि अगर मैं डॉक्टर को पीटा तो मैं जेल जाऊंगा।
ये नहीं है लॉ में
नहीं
अभी।
नहीं
नहीं,
strict li-
बिल्कुल
आपको
भी
पूरा एक स्ट्रिक्ट लाइबिलिटी का मतलब ये होता है जैसे जो कर्नाटका ने किया कि वो आप अक्यूज पे बर्डन डाल दिया कि तुम प्रूव करो जो तुमने किया वो वाकई में तुमने नहीं किया जो हम गेट माय पॉइंट दैट इज बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ so we need strict liability laws even the 2019 bill that needs to be updated
Amended.
तो क्यों नहीं मतलब why is it taking time from a legal aspect I want to
नहीं
understand.
there is why see my job is as a lawyer is to basically look एक जब law बन के आ जाता है हम उसकी interpretation before courts हम plead करते हैं courts decide how that law is to be interpreted making the law is the job of the legislature at the central and the state level now unfortunately this clearly has not been the priority of the government and that's why it's not come up अब जब ऐसे incidents होते हैं ऐसे मैम ने बोला incidents रोज हो रहे हैं That's the first thing that we discuss. Incidents are happening every day. But this incident has shook the conscience of the nation because doctors, I mean, this profession being the most noble profession, if something like this can happen in their place of work, then nobody is safe anywhere. Which is why now suddenly everybody is jumping into action. Which is why even the Honorable Supreme Court decided to take cognizance of this matter. Took the power from the High Court and decided to take the matter under its fold.
Yeah.
So, India, you know, as a country, we are very जो हो गया वो हो गया हम बहुत हमारा अंदर आक्रोश आता है पर वो वहाँ खत्म हो जाता है
We have a short-term memory. Amnesia.
short term memory के अलावा I think people have a very most people the lower middle class which comprises of the majority थक गए हैं struggle कर
We are a very forgiving nation. ये हो गया चलो आगे चलो.
We are very forgiving. So please stop
Sanuki.
agitating. Which is why these protests are important. We cannot stop this conversation is important.
Simiji, and the fact that today you and I are having this conversation is because so many doctors are sitting on protest.
Yeah.
The Supreme Court actually had to say to
Yeah.
call off the protest because you know in institutions like AIIMS Delhi it takes about 2 years. He even mentioned
Yes,
it.
yes,
So people
it's
are.
mentioned.
That's what. So doctors had to stop work to be able to be heard, which is a huge thing.
And
They had
उनका
to stop.
पैशन ही पेशेंट केयर है
Yeah.
लाइक मतलब देयर
There is no other passion.
हमने बात बोली यू मेंशन कि वी हैव अ वेरी मतलब हमारी शॉर्ट मेमोरी रहती है अभी हम भूल गए 4 महीने पहले पुणे केस हुआ था पुणे कार एक्सीडेंट हुआ था ना एक
Yeah.
छोटा सा 17 साल का बच्चा था
Porsche.
जिसने है ना
Yeah, the Porsche car.
Scot free,
इलेक्शन
Scot free.
हुआ इलेक्शंस हुए हम भूल गए
हाँ.
उसके बाद अब नया टॉपिक
Yeah.
हुआ मैम मेरे को आप ये बताओ कि ये जो इंसिडेंट हो रहा है व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड ऑन लाइक 2 वीक्स बैक आपको ये डर नहीं लग रहा है कि ये भी एक इंसिडेंट 2-3 महीने में हम भूल जाएंगे
तभी तो हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं एंड थैंक्स टू यू एंड योर टीम इतनी आप पावरफुल यंग लेडीज लेके आए हो तभी तो वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस एंड वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू यू वी वोंट लेट इट डाई वी वोंट ये तो बहुत पंगा ले लिया इन्होंने एक मैंने ये करना है मीडिया के लिए सबसे बड़ा हमारा एनिमी मीडिया है वहाँ पे गर्ल इज पेल्विक बोन फ्रैक्चर करने के लिए यू नीड लॉट्स ऑफ फोर्स ठीक है बुरा हाल कर दिया लड़की का और मीडिया में न्यूज़ का हेडिंग क्या था ओपीडी पेशेंट्स आर सफरिंग
Yeah.
एंड हमारे ओपीडी के पेशेंट्स आके पता क्या कहते हैं हमने वी आल्सो क्लोज्ड ओपीडी ऑन सैटरडे दे सेड मैम ऐसे थोड़े ना आला वील कम अगेन
Yeah.
गो ऑन पेशेंट्स आर विद अस बट दिस मीडिया दैट इज आवर एनिमी
Yeah.
कुछ हो जाए हम मर जाए गल जाए दे विल नेवर सपोर्ट अ डॉक्टर और मेरे पास जो कोई पेशेंट आता है मेरा तो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही बुरा रहा है मीडिया के साथ मेरे साथ कोई पेशेंट आता है ना फर्स्ट थिंग दे सेड इज डॉक्टर साहब ऐसी ना प्रेस तो है देन आई टेल देम ओ देन आई यू नो रेफर टू अदर कंसल्टेंट बिकॉज आई डोंट ओ नो 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 डॉक्टर साहब आई डिडंट मीन दैट देन दे विल से प्रेस वाले हो गए पॉलिटिशियन कनेक्शन हो गए वी राइट अ स्मॉल वर्ड ऑन पोटेंशियल ट्रबल मेकर पीटीएम्स ये हमारा कोड वर्ड अमंग
Yeah, it's
डॉक्टर्स
actually
प्रेस
true.
वाले और पॉलिटिशियन के रिलेटिव्स को हम ना बहाना बनाते हैं मेरे को रेफरल आता है डॉक्टर साहब मैं भेज रहा हूँ बिकॉज ना ये ना पीछे से मीडिया वालों को जानते हैं दैट इज़ अ कॉज बाय द स्मॉलर हॉस्पिटल्स आर नॉट एज शी वॉज सेइंग यू पीपल आर मेकिंग अ स्केयर्ड DMC इज अ रेफरल हॉस्पिटल, हम तो मना कर ही नहीं सकते, बट नॉट स्मॉल थिंग्स के लिए DMC नहीं आ सकते बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव एनी बेड्स. समटाइम्स हमारे सारे बच्चे वेंटिलेटर पे होते हैं.
Doctors are really
So
scared.
media is not supporting us at
Yeah.
all. I don't know why they are. ये भी इतना नोबल प्रोफेशन है जैसे हमारा है, but it is no longer a profession. It is a sensation. Breaking news. Now tell me, who has to suffer? The accused or the victim? एक तो विक्टिम का रेप उन्होंने करा, ऊपर से फोटो लगा लगा के, यू नो नाउ पोर्नोग्राफी साइट्स पे उसकी फोटो आ गई लड़की की. ओ भाई, व्हाई आर यू आफ्टर देयर फैमिली? गो टू द फैमिली ऑफ मॉन्स्टर्स. उनसे पूछो आपने क्या गलतियां करी जब ये बच्चे छोटे थे बॉयज, ताकि बाकी पेरेंट्स वो गलती ना करें. डू दे एवर अप्रोच द अक्यूज्ड फैमिली? विक्टिम की फैमिली. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जी, ये बोले वो. वाई इज मीडिया, निर्भया के केस में भी पेरेंट्स को रुला दिया. ओ भाई, मीडिया कैमरा लेके आप अक्यूजर के घर जाओ, एक्यूज के घर जाओ. यहाँ पे रेप होता है, गर्ल को इतना, उसको बेचारी को पुराने ज़माने में मूवीज़ में इज्जत तेरी लुट लेगी, और मेरी डॉटर वुड से कि साड़ी इज्जत बजाई ना चाहिए. और कैसे लुट की इज्जत? पहले तो तू नंगा हुआ, तेरी इज्जत गई है. उस इज्जत जिसकी गई है उसको तो आप हाईलाइट कर रहे हो, वो वीडियो सर्कुलेट कर रहा है रेप के, और जिसको ज़बरदस्ती करी है उसको आप मीडिया हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं.
Actually, ma'am, this
You
is
are raping her many times.
A very valid
No,
point.
actually, this is a very जो rape laws जब if I am talking about 400 years ago, जब पहली बार rape laws बने, तब actually women were treated like property.
Yeah,
So if a
yeah.
man defiled a woman, it was like theft. तुमने
Yeah.
मुझसे चुरा लिया.
मैं तेरे चुरा लूंगा. मणिपुर में फीमेल्स को नंगा करिए, मैं तेरी फीमेल को नंगी, और सफर कौन करा एंड ऑफ द डे?
Yeah, females.
हम ही रहेगी.
Yeah.
सो ये बंदों को नंगा करना चाहिए. उनकी मदर से पूछो. मैं मदर इंडिया क्या थी उसने, वाई डिड ही किल हिज सन, हर सन, वी नीड मोर मदर इंडिया. उसकी मदर से पूछो, क्या तूने गलतियां करी कि तेरे बच्चे ने 4 जनों के साथ मिलके उस गर्ल का रेप करके मार दिया? कैसे पाला? ताकि जो बाकी मदर्स हैं सन्स की, उनको पता चले कि जो उसने गलती करी वो हमने नहीं करनी. बॉयज़ आर एज प्योर एज गर्ल्स. आई एम सेइंग इट अगेन अगेन, दे आर प्योर सोल्स. हम उन्हें डीह्यूमनाइज करते हैं. जब बच्चा रोता है ना, 3 साल का बेटा, माए तू कुड़ी है, क्यों रो रहा है? ओ भाई, कुड़ी होना, उसके बॉय में 2 चीज़ें आ गई. नंबर 1, इमोशंस नहीं दिखानी. नंबर 2, कुड़ी होना तो बहुत वीकनेस है. टीयर्स किसको दिए? ह्यूमंस ने गॉड को दिए. गॉड ने किसको दिए टीयर्स? नेजोरैक्रिमल डक्ट बॉय के नहीं है. एनिमल्स तो इमोशन नहीं शो करते इतना, फिर भी दे आर बेटर देन अस. जब लड़का रो नहीं सकता, वो इमोशन शो नहीं कर सकता, वेयर विल हिज एंगर गो? मारेगा किसी को, किसी पे अटैक करेगा. उसकी गलती नहीं है, वो ह्यूमन था. हमने, सोसाइटी ने 2 से लेके 5 साल में, तो जो पेरेंट्स आते हैं ना बॉयज़ के, मैं कहती हूँ मुंडा पालना बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. इधर यू विल मेक हिम एनिमल और यू विल मेक हिम देवता. व्हाट डू यू वांट? नो पेरेंट, नो फादर एंड मदर वांट्स हिज सन टू बी अ रेपिस्ट और अ मॉलेस्टर. आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी पेरेंट वांट्स दैट. बट उनकी जो पालना है, वो बच्चे को, क्यों मेल्स को ज़्यादा हार्ट अटैक पहले होते थे? क्योंकि बेचारे को डीह्यूमनाइज कर दिया आपने. वो अंदर रखता है, रोना नहीं, इमोशन. मर्द को दर्द नहीं. वो भी क्यों? उसके पेन में उतने ही फाइबर्स है. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मैंने डिसेक्ट करे हुए मेल्स, उतनी ही स्किन में अंदर फाइबर्स है जितने फीमेल के. उसको भी उतना ही दर्द होता है, पर वो शो नहीं कर पाता क्योंकि सोसाइटी डजंट एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू शो.
बट निम्रत
तो
जी,
दर्द कहाँ जाएगा?
नहीं, बट आज मतलब मैं ना अगेन आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि डू यू थिंक इट इज सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन कि अब चेंज हो रहा है, बट फिर भी 2012 से आज भी
It is happening.
हो रहा है,
Change is
but not
happening,
in
बहुत
all
slow.
families.
Yeah, not in all
हमारी
families.
गंदगी यहाँ है बिटवीन द ईयर्स. इट इज नॉट इन क्लोथ्स. सो बंदों, जो जिनकी नीयत बुरी है, उनके पेरेंट्स उनको 8 बजे के बाद घर में लॉक कर दें, so that our girls can move out. Why restrictions on girls?
बट मैम वो सोल्यूशन तो नहीं हुआ ना.
Yeah,
मतलब
that's not a
सोल्यूशन हुआ
solution.
पैदा होने से, क्योंकि उस बॉय को पाला ऐसे गया. उसके बॉय के मदर वाज अब्यूज्ड बाय फादर एंड ही वाज बोर्न आफ्टर 3 or 4 सिस्टर्स. सो ही वाज ब्रॉट अप कि तू तो बस राजकुमार आ गया, तू तो हमारे घर 3 बेटियों के बाद आया, तू तो फूल है हमारे घर का. उसके दिमाग नार्सिसिस्ट बना दिया कि मैं तो फीमेल. अब क्या हो रहा है? व्हाई सो मच डाइवोर्स? इट्स अ हट के पॉइंट है, पर व्हाई डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज? जब कोविड हुआ है, females who were more literate, who were more intelligent, who were higher position than their husbands were abused more. You know that 60% risk of more abuse if you are having higher salary than your husband. Proven in developed countries. क्या बात करते हो हमारी कंट्री की? बंदे are so insecure.
निम्रत जी, मैं एक चीज़ पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि एंड यू नो वी आर डूइंग दिस टुडे, वी रिकॉर्डिंग. मैं ना आज भी जब when I reached out to all of you
Yeah.
and I was again questioning myself कि यार ये जो हम conversation कर रहे हैं ये एक और ही conversation रह जाएगा. मतलब I was just thinking and this is like again I'm thinking out loud. How can this not be a conversation anymore? Like मतलब मैं ये आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूँ and then like getting.
I think the fact that we are three sitting together is an example of why this is not going to be a conversation. I like to tell everybody. So when you reached out to me, we were looking for a third person, and I'd seen Ma'am's video on
Yeah.
social media
Yeah.
where she said she was basically voicing our feelings into words. Those words we've carried here, and those are the words of every single doctor, irrespective of gender right now. We are all sitting and having these conversations because somewhere somebody who's low, who's going through this, is sitting and hearing this and is getting so much motivation that they are not alone. And this is ridiculous, this kind of behavior. And to think, Simarji, just right now, I am learning on how to prevent. What ma'am is saying or what ma'am told me how to prevent, I was sitting and learning. So
you
even
have
if
a son
it's
too.
Yeah, I
Big
have a son.
responsibility.
It's a big responsibility to, you know, it's insane, but I keep telling my mother, I was telling her a few months ago, I said, Mama, ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਧੱਕੇ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ
Yeah.
because ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ.
Yeah.
You know, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਧੱਕਾ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਜਾਣਾ. ਟੇਬਲ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਵਿਚਾਰੀ ਨੇ ਖਾ ਲੈਣਾ, whatever's made at their house, she's going to start eating it. It's the boys. The boys have to be raised well for two families to connect together. If your husband is thinking कि मैं तो दामाद हूँ जी, पता नहीं मैंने क्या कर दिया है, उधर जाके मेरे पैर धोएंगे
बस.
और वो पिएंगे.
पति परमेश्वर
Pati
and भारतीय
Parmeshwar,
नारी.
this is a
This is a
ridiculous
ridiculous
notion. If your husband is thinking like that, it's over.
Mrinal ji, do you think मैं ना अभी भी बार बार वही सोची जा रहा हूँ कि is this just another conversation that we are doing, or do you think that things will change because हम hope में जीते हैं,
We
है
will
ना?
change.
See, things are changing.
Yeah.
Obviously, things are changing. Laws have changed.
Yeah.
Law reflects the social conscience of the country. A law is made because it's made by the people. It is reflective of what the society is thinking. Laws are changing. Enforcement is poor. But there are a lot of reasons why enforcement is poor. I'm not justifying the reasons. We need to fix those. We need to make sure that our trials finish in time. We need to make sure that our investigations happen properly, evidence is collected properly, everything happens quickly. Now, for instance, I will go back to the laws. I will go back to the state law. Now, these state laws actually say that within 60 days of filing the FIR, investigation should be complete. Within 1 year, the trial should be complete. और अगर उसमें 6 महीने और लग रहे हैं तो उसका रीजन देना पड़ेगा जज को. ये कुछ स्टेट के लॉज ऐसा कह रहे हैं. But see, this is improvement on what was the law earlier in those states. Earlier there was no time limit fixed. I'm not saying कि time limit बाइबल है और इसको फॉलो किया जाता है. ये ब्रीच होती है. But it is a start.
Yeah.
And one has to, and like ma'am also pointed out, that this will take one more generation. I believe it. So I think the change has already started happening in our generation.
Yeah.
But honestly, us sitting here, we do not, the three of us, do not represent.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm saying we represent a large part of the country, but we do not represent the
Majority.
tier 3 cities,
Yeah.
the tier 4 cities, where women are still treated like property. I come from a tier 2 city. And I see that a lot of changes happened. Women have become very enterprising. And I was raised in a tier 2 city. And I am out here, I'm now in the national capital doing and pursuing a profession that I want to do purely out of passion. Not all girls get to do that.
No, not at all.
But what I still see in tier 2, tier 3 cities is women being mistreated. If you are not an earning woman, you don't even get a lot of respect.
Yeah.
So girls from a very young age are told, you earn your bread.
Yeah.
That will give you confidence to move on in life, to be strong, which is why, ma'am, the divorce rate is high in our generation.
Yeah.
They
Because
won't tolerate
women are
shit.
independent, they don't tolerate.
Yeah.
They will not take nonsense from anyone.
Yeah.
Which is why the
It's
divorce
a-
rate is very high.
That's why I want to say I have done PCMS, government service, in a remote village. 90% of women were abused, hit by their husbands, and they were the ones जो सफाई करती है ना, ये जो हमारी क्लास 4 बेचारी घर में झाड़ू पोछा करने आती हैं. तो मैंने कहा छोड़ के देते हस्बैंड को. कहते जी कहाँ जाएंगे बच्चों को लेके. हस्बैंड पी के सिर्फ मारता है. डू यू थिंक दैट इज मैरिज? अगर बाहर 60% डाइवोर्स रेट है ना, इंडिया में 95% डाइवोर्स रेट है. मैरिजेस ऑफ माइंड्स.
There's also flip side.
Yeah.
We all agree that जितने भी men out there हैं, most of the men are not wrong, right? They are part of
100%,
us.
yeah.
They support us, right?
We produce them, भाई.
हाँ, तो मेरा ना एक और कॉन्सेप्ट है. इन द लास्ट वी सीन लाइक मी टू मूवमेंट भी स्टार्ट हुई थी. देयर इज आल्सो अ रॉन्ग इम्प्लीकेशन भी, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ मेन आल्सो व्हिच आर वेरी यू नो नॉट ओनली लॉ अबाइडिंग बट वेरी, बट वो भी तो हो रहा है ना कि जो
Yeah,
मतलब
but that's
there
a
are-
very small proportion. We can't cover that.
नहीं
That's
बेटे,
very small
अदर वे राउंड हो रहा
proportion,
है.
yeah.
जो तो जेन्युइन केसेस हैं वो कोर्ट को नहीं जा
हाँ,
रहे.
they
जो
are.
कोर्ट्स में जा रहे हैं मोस्टली वो बेचारे मैन अब्यूज हो रहे हैं.
बट आप एक बार, मैं उस साइकी से सोच रहा था कि जो लड़के हैं लेट से जो गलत इम्प्लीकेशन हो रहे हैं और जब वो उस ट्रायल से जाते हैं उनको भी तो वो बिटर स्वीट हो रहे हैं ना कि मतलब
उनकी लाइफ तबाह हो जाती है.
Yeah.
वो दे गो टू डिप्रेशन, दे वो तो बेचारे कंप्लेंट भी नहीं कर सकते.
Their mindset is also getting affected. There is no doubt about that. I'm sure that is happening,
Yeah.
and we've seen that happening.
उसका कोई रॉन्ग इम्प्लीकेशन का मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड दे माइट बी अ वेरी स्मॉल पर्सन बिकॉज जो वुमेन अब्यूज है वो रिपोर्ट ही नहीं हो रहा ना, मेजॉरिटी
yeah,
रिपोर्ट
नहीं
नहीं
हो
हो
रहा.
रहा. बट मैं वो भी डिस्कस करना चाह रहा हूँ बिकॉज कि वो जो रॉन्ग इम्प्लीकेशन के कोई हैं वैसे लॉज वगैरह की
आप अगर आपने पूरा एक ट्रायल फेस कर लिया है एंड यू आर फाइनली एक्विटेड फ्रॉम, फॉर इंस्टेंस मी, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप यू विल फाइल अ सूट फॉर डेफेमेशन. यू हैव बीन डिफेम्ड by that by having to go through the entire trial. So आप वो फाइल कर लोगे. ज़्यादा क्या कर
बट
सकते
मतलब उसका अपना जो लड़के का तो मॉरल पूरा ही खत्म हो गया ना.
हाँ, बट नहीं, आप एक बात बताओ ना.
माइंडसेट सेट आई नो पीपल की
See,
जिन्होंने
this is true for anything. People who
Yeah.
are convicted in murder cases, and then when they, after 20 years, when their appeal is heard and
Yeah.
they are acquitted,
Yeah, your life is
passed
वो
you
तो
by.
लाइफ निकल गई ना.
Your brain, you've gone through that. You have suffered the shame of being called a murderer or a sexual exploiter.
Yeah.
I'm talking about you brought Me Too into discussion. So I'm saying, but this is how the system is. The justice system, justice is very delayed. It is like that. There is one trial, then there is an
एंड
appeal.
फास्ट ट्रैक करने के लिए कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है.
फास्ट ट्रैक करने के लिए देखिए, फॉर स्पेसिफिक क्राइम्स देर आर सम स्पेशल कोर्ट्स, बट सी देर इज अ प्रोसेस, राइट? देर इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ अपील. Now the thing is that these things take a long time because the courts are overburdened. Our infrastructure is overburdened. वो चाहे hospitals हो हमारे देश में, look at our population, वो चाहे hospital हो चाहे वो courts हो, even courts are overburdened. Our judges are also working very hard. So this is the system. ऐसा नहीं है. और आप दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट जाइए, वहाँ पे 100 केसेस लग रहे हैं दिन के. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जजेस सुन रहे हैं 70 केसेस. तो आप सोचिए कि एक आप यू हैव टू ओपाइन ऑन अ केस, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द केस. लुक एट द प्रेशर दैट एवरीबडी इज अंडरगोइंग. Okay, so it's not like the system is not working, but the system needs more.
Yeah.
We need vacancies to be filled on
Yeah,
time
lots
in
of-
hospitals, in high courts, in
Yeah.
Supreme Court, in trial courts. We
Absolutely.
need more judges. We need
Right.
better infrastructure.
अब देखो, मतलब मैं 40 इयर्स का मेरा कैरियर हो गया, 30 इयर्स ऑफ इंटेंसिव केयर. टिल नाउ आई हैव नेवर बीन, अभी तक टच वुड, कल का पता नहीं, नेवर बीन अब्यूज्ड. हाथ तो क्या लगाया, कोई उच्ची नहीं बोला मेरे साथ कोई अटेंडेंट अब तक. In fact, because ICU is the only place where the children die, and children are not supposed to die anyway. It's a very sensitive branch. Still, parents have said thanks before. कि डॉक्टर साहब आपने बहुत कोशिश करी. So message to doctors also that we should be compassionate and spending time with them. But supposing one doctor is looking after 100 patients, and there are one attendant has 10 attendants, there occurs compassion fatigue. Compassion fatigue means मरता तो मरे, जाए तो जाए. You don't feel any compassion because you have lost that capacity to have compassion because you yourself are not working like a human.
Yeah.
Man, this is true for the entire nation for that
Entire
matter.
nation.
The entire nation has compassion
तो फिर होना
fatigue.
सानू की होता तो हो
Yeah.
जाए. अब डीपी पोस्टिंग शुरू हुई, डिस्ट्रिक्ट पोस्टिंग शुरू हुई है. डॉक्टर्स की शॉर्टेज है. गवर्नमेंट ने क्या स्कीम करी, हर मेडिकल कॉलेज से बच्चे ले लिए. हमारे 2 रेजिडेंट जाने लग गए सरकारी हॉस्पिटल क्योंकि उनके पास डॉक्टर्स कम है. हमारे 2 बच्चों का काम कौन करेगा अभी? जो पीछे रह गए उनका काम नहीं बढ़ गया.
और
What is
बच्चे
this?
ले नहीं रहे.
अपना काम कम करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट अपनी पोस्ट खाली है. अब आईसीयू जब बनते हैं, हमारे पास नहीं है जगह डीएमसी में, वी आर फुल ऑलरेडी. आईसीयू के वहाँ 9 वेंटिलेटर पड़े हैं. बिल्कुल साइड पे बात कर रही हूँ, बट दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इतनी करप्शन, 9 वेंटिलेटर वहाँ पे पड़े हैं सरकारी हॉस्पिटल में CM ने इनॉग्रेट करा PICU एंड वेयर आर द वेंटिलेटर्स बिहाइंड क्लोज्ड लॉक डोर्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर इज नो ट्रेन्ड पर्सन. व्हाई डिड यू
To
बाय
operate
इट?
that.
यस. मैंने कहा ट्रेड पर्सन क्यों है? कहते जी फिल ही नहीं करते पोस्ट. अब पोस्ट फिल नहीं कर रहे. एक डॉक्टर 16 सेक्टर में आई हैव डन हाउस जॉब, 47 डिलीवरीज इन 12 आवर्स एंड आई वाज लाइक वॉमिटिंग. मेरे आई वाज कैरिंग माई बेबी एंड हाइपरेमेसिस था. बेबी डिलीवर कर रही हूँ, फिर कर रही हूँ. चलो 12 घंटे के बाद मैं चलो घर आ सकती थी. पटियाला आई डिड हाउस जॉब. आई डोंट वांटेड टू नेम इट बट सिंस द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट एंड रेजिडेंसी का सेफ्टी का इशू आ गया. Patiala mein I did joint house job in gynae because my husband was doing MD there. I was expecting also. I went doctor's duty room. There was no light. In doctor's duty room there was no light. Washroom door was so stiff that it could not be closed.
Yeah.
And the bed had no mattress. हॉस्पिटल के बेड ना मेटलिक होते हैं, वुड के नहीं होते, मेटल की ऐसे ऐसे बनी थी. सो आई टोल्ड माई कलीग, मैंने कहा ना तो बाथरूम में लाइट है, मेरा पैर ही फंस जाए क्योंकि थोड़ा वॉशरूम का एरिया ना, यहाँ पे रूम में लाइट है, मैं कल को लाइट ले आऊँगी अपने घर से, बल्ब ले आऊँगी. हंसने लगी वो, डॉक्टर साहब कल फ़ायदा नहीं, फिर कोई उठा लेगा. तो मैं नेक्स्ट डे बल्ब ले आई, मैंने बल्ब लगा दिया. नेक्स्ट डे अगली रात को आई हूँ तो बल्ब वॉज नॉट देयर. क्यों? स्वीपर ले गया जी. तो मैंने कहा स्वीपर, एंड मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा. आई डोंट वांट टू, मैं बदनाम नहीं करना चाहती GMC को. दैट वाज इन 1990 व्हेन इट वाज ऑन द टॉप. अब आज क्या हालत है? आई वांट टू नो अबाउट फॉर्म रेजिडेंट्स.
Really bad.
लेबर रूम में वो होता है, मोटी मैट्रेस होती है, उसके नीचे स्पंज होता है, उसमें होल था, प्लेसेंटल फ्लूइड चला गया वहाँ पे, उस पर मैगट्स, मैंने अपनी आई से मैगट्स देखे लेबर रूम में. मैंने कहा ये क्या? DMC में अगर स्वीपर काम नहीं ना करेगा, दैट पर्सन विल बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम DMC. हम नया स्वीपर मिल जाता है. मैंने कहते ये स्वीपर स्ट्राइक पे ही रहते हैं सरकार में. तो मैंने कहा बट ये मैगट्स, कहते कोई गल नहीं, चादर बिछा देने. दे टुक अ वाइट शीट, पुट इट ऑन द टेबल एंड द मदर वॉज, आई हैव सीन विद माई ओन आइज. मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को आके मैं रोई, मैं कहा ये तो, कहते जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं कहना आई एम नॉट गोइंग. सो मेरा नोटिस निकल गया, पुनीत विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू एंटर द लेबर रूम बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट गो विदाउट इन्फॉर्मिंग दैम. मैं कहा आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन गोइंग ऑल्सो. ये जब टॉप पर जिंद्रा हॉस्पिटल था वो हाल था. आज आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क द रेजिडेंट्स, वाई डोंट यू स्पीक? क्यों आप गलत हालात में रह रहे हो? वाई?
This is a very important point. Residents need
If you are
support.
not comfortable,
Yeah.
वो थके हुए बच्चों से हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वो ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे.
And this is life altering. It's not कि खिड़की टूट गई, खिड़की लगा दी. This is life altering. We're working in ICU.
जो दुखी बच्चे ट्रीट कैसे करेगा? वो
Thirty-
डिसीजन कैसे
and
लेगा?
you expect that resident to go home, study also, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's not just working. You're studying
right.
also.
मतलब
And
humans
if you
हैं.
see the hospital messes today, if you go to a medical college mess, you will never eat food there. You will never eat food. My mother used to come and she would cover her face with a dupatta. She couldn't sit in the mess. It was so bad.
ये हाल
We
है
used to have
government का.
cockroaches all over the floor. In the bathroom.
अब तो डॉग्स फिरते हैं, ओटीज में डॉग्स फिरते हैं.
I'll tell you it's a very sad incident, but you know
Sad.
doctors have a very dark sense of humor. ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਖੜੇ ਸੀ hostel ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ, and one of our family friends was doing MD. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾ ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ they put the food. They hung his food and went. A dog came, smelled that food and left. ਕੁੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਦਾ. ਉਹ ਇੰਨਾ ਬੁਰਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਸੀ. You're expecting these people ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਥੱਪੜ ਵੀ ਮਾਰਾਂਗੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ sexually assault ਵੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ. You can't strike.
They should not.
And you earn peanuts rest of your life.
Inhuman. और डॉक्टर फीस ले ले, लोगों की जान निकल जाती है. अच्छा जी जितनी बार जॉब 500 रुपया ले लेते हैं, वो भी ब्लडी हेल. अपनी फैक्ट्री में सेकंड टाइम आप फ्री सामान दोगे.
ये परसेप्शन भी है ना, ये डॉक्टर तो बहुत पैसे कमा रहे हैं.
कितने पैसे कमा रहे हैं?
Is it true?
500
कितने कमा रहे
rupees is a bare minimum wage laborer.
वो कहते हैं ना कितना पैसा खर्च हो गया जब डॉक्टर बनते हो. कहते हैं पैसा का तो पता नहीं, यूथ खर्च हो गया. 35 साल पे आके हमारी डॉक्टरी की पढ़ाई खत्म होती है.
Yeah, and people will get up from BMWs and they'll ask,
Yeah.
आज फिर पैसे देने?
आज फिर पैसे देने, 100 रुपए नहीं दे सकते. फ्री मेडिसिन, फोन पे आप प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेते हैं.
But Nimrati, what is your, like, being a resident 4 years back, है ना? What is your message right now to all doctors and all women and everyone out there? Like, what is your message? Like, what
I
do you
think
want
my
to say?
first message is that, you know, when we were doing our residency, Sanu kende say, oh yeah, 3 years of hell. That should stop.
Yeah.
We've gone through it, not anybody else. So I tell everyone that I meet, no. You know, there is a limit that you should do and bus. That's it. So the first message is do jinna you are able to do. It is not a hell. You're learning skills for the rest of your life. This should not be hell. This should be heaven. A staircase to heaven. This is my first message. My second is to every woman out there. Education is so important. it doesn't only bring you like ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ my nani used to say ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਘਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੌਰਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਕੋਈ ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਬੌਰਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਕਿਤੇ ਬੌਰਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਇੱਕੋ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਡਸਨਟ ਮੀਨ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਸਿਟਿੰਗ ਵਿਦ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਪੀਪਲ, ਇਟਸ ਆਲਸੋ ਟੀਚਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੰਬਲ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਮਿੰਗਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। So that is my second message. And my third is do something, do whatever you can, bake at home, but make your own money. To every woman out there,
Yeah.
your aim of the day should not be my husband li ki banawa ki oda mood acha ho jaye. That is ridiculous.
Respect
to me.
yourself.
Respect yourself.
Yeah, love
100%.
yourself. Yeah.
And don't tolerate disrespect from anyone.
You
You
know,
should be your
yeah.
biggest fan, and I think that's the biggest
And
message.
let's start supporting
Yeah.
women. जो थोड़ी सी women आगे जाती है, women कहती है ये तो बड़ी वो है, ambitious है, ये तो फलानी है.
Yeah.
Males when they're sitting together, especially some fields, I won't name the fields, they crack jokes in OTs or
Yeah.
in a meeting about women. सब jokes wives पे मजाक ही उठता है हमारा. And we female are also laughing. नहीं जी मजाक नहीं, sorry. I love myself, I respect myself, and I get respect as long as I
Even
get respect.
Indra
I
Nooyi
don't
was
get.
in fact saying, sorry to cut you,
No, no.
ma'am. Only PepsiCo, before she stepped in, she said my appointment was delayed for a couple of years क्योंकि ऐसे एक boardroom च बैठे सी, and I was telling some female who presented very badly. I said, what did you do, Maria? You should have done this and that. And she said, you should mind your business. And she said the same thing happened on the other side, and the boys were joking about, hey Jack, you should have done the presentation better. Let's have some beers. And the conversation was finished at that.
Yeah.
But there is ladai, there is jealousy. So I think women should build women.
Yeah.
It's high time.
The day we
should.
start supporting each other.
Yeah.
I think women are just trained to be so defensive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because,
Bharatiya
because
Nari.
they have to justify everything that they're doing.
Yeah.
So that just
They are made to
ends up
feel
becoming
guilty.
a part of their
Yeah.
DNA.
Yeah.
The guilt becomes a part of their
Yeah.
DNA. They become defensive, and
Yes.
that impedes their growth.
एंड मैम जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, आई जस्ट होप कि दिस कन्वर्सेशन becomes acts as a catalyst.
Yes.
I don't know how this conversation will come out, how people will react, but my idea was that हम एक साल से content बना रहे हैं, podcast कर रहे हैं, getting different people. I just thought to myself कि यार now that we have a platform, we cannot keep quiet. We have a platform. If people can come and express, and if अगर इस podcast से, इस राउंड टेबल से लोग दो चीज़ें भी सीख लें, जैसे आपने बताया कि इफ़ अ डॉक्टर अगर उसको वायलेंस होता है तो उसको क्या स्टेप्स करने चाहिए, राइट? हाउ यू सेड दैट यू बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, अ मदर, अ वाइफ, अ ग्रैंड मदर नाउ, upbringing कितनी important है, right? It is the best part was that you emphasize that कि यार it is not men versus women, right? Boys are pure souls, right? Men are pure people, right? It is men, women versus those monsters, right?
We dehumanize them. The feminists dehumanize them.
And the best part, Nimrat ji, what you mentioned was about जो रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स फील कर रहे हैं, राइट? दैट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट विच यू मेंशन, दैट कि हेल्थ से नहीं जाना, राइट? जितना कर सकते हो आप उतना करो. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल. आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर, आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, बट मेरी कोशिश थी कि सबकी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे करके हाउ दिस गोज, एंड इफ दिस कन्वर्सेशन बिकम्स अ कैटलिस्ट, एंड इफ दो लोग भी सीख जाए ना इससे,
And taking a cue from you, it's not men versus women, it's because of you, a kind man, that three
Who
women
thought
are
about
here
it.
sitting and
Yeah,
discussing
and-
this. As a young doctor, I want to ask you, what is your message for the young female force in this medical fraternity?
Stop pleasing the world. Stop doing things which you do not like.
Right.
Do what your heart says and love yourself. मेरे पास कोई बच्चा आता है ना, मैं मेडिसिन करूँ कि पीडियाट्रिक्स करूँ कि गायनी करूँ, I look at that person and say, बेटा, I have never asked anybody. I wanted to do pediatrics. मैंने कहा मैंने करनी है, because anything you do with passion, you can reach perfection. अगर आपका नहीं दिल कर रहा हो काम करने को, just because you want to please the people. आज मैं एक लड़के को पूछा, मैंने कहा बेटा क्या करना है तूने? आजकल सबको ट्यूशन, 4 साल का बच्चा ट्यूशन. मैंने कहा ट्यूशन से क्या नीट पीजी रखा हुआ है कि यूजी रखा है कि डॉक्टर बनेगा कि इंजीनियर बनेगा? और भी बच्चों को ग्राउंड्स में खेलने दो. कहता जी मैंने शेफ़ बनना है. मैं उसको मदर को बोला भी इसमें शेफ़ बनना है, शेफ़ के लिए ट्यूशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, +2 के बाद एंट्रेंस देगा, बेटा तू शेफ़ बनना है, 1 घंटा तूने ग्राउंड में खेलना है. वो इतना एग्रेसिव था, माँ को मारता था. अभी अब 14 साल के लड़के को आप खेलने नहीं दे रहे, तो वो कहाँ हार्मोन जाएंगे? स्पोर्ट्स इज द बेस्ट थिंग
Yeah.
कि बिगड़े ना बच्चे. स्पोर्ट्स बिल्ड्स योर करेक्टर एंड इट गिव्स इट रिमूव्स योर एनर्जी.
Yeah.
और कहाँ एनर्जी जाएगी? पोर्नो ही देखेंगे. अगर बच्चे को आपने फंसाया हुआ है कि बेटा बाहर नहीं जाना, पढ़ पढ़ पढ़, कोई पढ़ सकता 24 घंटे? पढ़ाई कहाँ काम आएगी? चौथी पाँचवीं की पढ़ाई कहाँ काम आती? मरवा दिया. स्कूलों में पीटी पीरियड खत्म हो गया, पता आपको? मैं तो इस पे रिसर्च करनी है, स्टडी. और 20 बच्चे आ रहे हैं 8 साल के विद लिवर,
Medical college
फैटी
didn't
लिवर.
have any sports.
We used to have in DMC,
We
but
didn't
अब
have
buildings
one.
बन गई है. But
Yeah,
we
we
used to have a
didn't
large, good ground, very good ground.
We had in law school. I played a lot of.
मैम मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी बोला था कि I didn't want to make this a very sensational
Yeah.
or a very triggering podcast and ride the media wave. What is happening? I wanted a discussion कि हम हंस भी सकें ये डिस्कशन में. We can
ज़रूरी है.
speak our mind, and as I told in the starting that if during this discussion 2-3 people also say that you know what, if a mother or a father says you know what, हमको ना upbringing में change करना है, हमको ये चीज़ें change करनी है, and if after this a doctor knows his or her rights,
Yeah.
a resident doctor feels कि यार I don't have to go through hell,
Yeah.
and मैम ने बोला कि अगर एक हैप्पी होम अगर होगा और अगर ये 2-3 चीज़ें इस पॉडकास्ट से निकल जाती हैं ना, आई थिंक आवर वर्क विल बी डन. सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर डूइंग दिस, एंड आई होप वी हैव बेटर टाइम्स, एंड थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग सो ऑनेस्ट, so candid, ma'am, as always, and I hope this creates an impact, a conversation.
And
to take it
last line for the teachers and politicians: please teach them sex education. Please have classes on morality. Please tell them how to find red alert signs in the partner. बाहरले बच्चों को अगर दिखाओ ना, वो हमारी फेवरेट फिल्म दिल वाले दुल्हनिया, वो my niece, she's an Australian, she said, Masi, how could you watch it? He is stalking her. This is abuse. And now I can't see movies 20 years back जहाँ पे एक विलन ने इज्जत लूटनी होती है और उसने सुसाइड करनी होती है क्योंकि उसकी इज्जत लूट गई. What is this bloody hell? You should have sex education classes.
And cinema reflects the society.
Cinema reflects. What are you showing in cinema? Men will follow that. कि ये तो फीमेल्स तो ऐसे ही हैं, इनके तो पीछे भागना पड़ता है, इनके तो हसीना उठ जाएगी तो क्या कहते हैं मनाएंगे, तो ये तो इनके तो साइकिल के पीछे जाना है. इनका नो का मतलब हाँ होता है, यही मूवी का डायलॉग है. और नहीं भाई, NO is a full sentence.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji.
For giving us the time to speak. My husband will be happy because I'm already too tired to speak now.
Thank you, guys.